Tired of shower organizers that rust, fade, or fall apart after a few months? Imagine a shower caddy that stays pristine, holds all your essentials securely, and blends seamlessly with your bathroom's style. That's exactly what you get with the Rustproof 304 Stainless Steel Shower Caddy, a solution designed to last and perform without compromise. I've tested plenty of shower organizers, but this one stands out. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, it resists corrosion and won't fade over time, no matter how often it gets wet. Cleaning is effortless. Just a quick wipe, and it looks brand new. Installation? A breeze. With just 4 simple steps: clean the surface, peel off the cover, apply the adhesive, and hang the caddy. You can upgrade your shower without drilling holes or damaging your walls. What makes this caddy truly versatile is its multifunctional design. Whether you need extra storage in the bathroom, kitchen, or even the entryway, this organizer adapts easily. The strong adhesive supports up to 20 pounds, enough for a big family's shampoos, soaps, and accessories. Plus, it features fast-draining holes that keep your items dry and prevent soap from losing shape. 4 adjustable hooks come with the package, letting you customize your storage for razors, sponges, or towels. One user from the United States shared their experience. 5 stars from me. I searched for a matte black caddy and found this with excellent reviews. The instructions were simple, and the transparent adhesive pads are barely noticeable, unlike the silver ones I've seen elsewhere. It sticks firmly to the tiles and holds all our shampoos and kids' products without slipping. The hooks are a great bonus, letting me add or remove them as needed. Stylish, rust-proof, and great value. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom storage with a durable, rust-proof, and stylish solution, this shower caddy is worth a look. It combines convenience, strength, and design in one package. Try it when you're ready and enjoy a clutter-free, organized space that stays fresh and functional for years.